Welcome back. Shilplok Sculpture Studio is Goa's only sculpture studio situated at Verna, which has brought back sculpture art back in the state. Prudent Media brings you the exclusive look.
After the Kadam rule, sculpture art started declining in Goa. Most of the artists in this field migrated from Goa during Portuguese rule. Mr. P. Gudigar was the first person to bring the sculpture art back to Goa, which was totally vanished. Gudigar was basically from Goa but was living in Karnataka. This was their ancestors migrated during Portuguese rule. After coming to Goa NIO in the year 1981, he slowly started his sculpture work and then left his job in 2002 to continue with his love of art. Studios was built in 2004. Our reporter Laukik Shilkar along with historian Rohit Falgaonkar visited studio at Verna. P. Gudikar was working with his 7 trainees. Studio is equipped with amazing unique creation of different sculptures pertaining to history of Goa. Gudikar shared his views with Prudent Media. He feels that an artist can contribute more to the society in a substantiate manner, and that was the reason he left his job in 2002 and took sculpture art as his profession.
As far as my knowledge is concerned.
And this is the only sculptural gallery in Goa.
Yeah.
After many centuries.
Yeah, this is only sculptural gallery in Goa, and
after the fall of Kadam.
Kadam was. And then in that intention only, last year I conducted Kadamba Shilpa Shibara here.
To preserve this art for future generation, Gudikar is organizing workshop called Kadam Shilp Shibir every year, but he is receiving very low response. There were very few artists like Gudikar who dedicated their life to reconstruct the history. This was our small attempt to highlight the work of such a dedicated sculpture.
These are the very few artists like Gudikars who dedicated their life to reconstruct the history. This was a small attempt to highlight the work of such dedicated sculptors. In Verna, this is Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media.
Green Goa Foundation celebrated their New Year in a unique way. No night parties, no ball dances, no music and no masti. They visited old age home in Kunkoli and made their celebrations memorable and everlasting.
Members of Green Goa Foundation presented a cultural program for old age people. Children too added a different flavor to the celebration.
आशीर्वाद पडोवंक मागता आनी तुमचे सगळ्यांचे आशीर्वाद पडोवंक मागता आनी तुमकां क्रिसमस नवे वर्स बरें दिवंक मागता आनी हॅपी न्यू इयर तुमकां बरें दिवंक मागता आनी तुमी काम बाम करतात नवे वर्सान तुमची दुयटी हाडोंक आनी चोडोंक आनी रस्त्यांनी भोंवतना चलतना तुमकां मोटरांनी भोंवतना दान तुमकां साबार.
Gifts were also distributed to all elderly people by Green Goa Foundation. Our reporter from Kunkoli, Mayur Naik.
Madgaon was rolling on the tunes of Umale 1009 at Madgaon on the eve of New Year. ETV star Akshada Sawant and other artists performed at the musical concert.
To celebrate and welcome 2009 and to pay homage to heroes of Mumbai terror attack, Umale 2009 Rangotsav was organized on Wednesday at Margao. Akshada Sawant was the main attraction of the musical concert.
माझं मोटिव्ह होतं की लोकांना जे टेन्शन मधून गेलेले आहे त्या ब्लास्ट नंतर, सो आय वॉन्टेड त्यांचा मूड जरा चेअरअप होईल वगैरे. सो त्याच्यासाठी मी काही अशी सॉंग्स परफॉर्म केले आहेत. आणि काय गोव्याच्या तरुण पिढीसाठी आपला काही रॉक ऑन आणि अजिबात दळमळायचं नाही. गोवाचं स्पिरिट, मुंबईचं स्पिरिट, द होल नेशनचं स्पिरिट फारच छान आहे. आणि हॅट्स ऑफ टू द स्पिरिट की अशाच तुम्ही डिग्निटीने पुढे व्हा आणि अशा कितीही गोष्टी आपल्या नेशनमध्ये झाल्या तरी त्याच्यामध्ये खचून जाऊ नका. हा एक मेन मोटिव्ह.
Marga was seen dancing on the tunes of Akshada Samant and other artists. Our reporter from Margaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's look at the headlines once again. World welcomes 2009 with great celebrations and enthusiasm in Goa. Vasco suspect is not at all a threat to national security. Sent to Apna Ghar. Madey Bachao Abhiyan criticizes government's decision to go to tribunal on Madey dispute. And Madgaon welcomes 2009 with Umale 1009. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.